Student meteorologist D&D Davis and liveweatherblogs.com. Overnight edition. We're going to concentrate on tropics and Earl specifically tonight on the overnight edition. That's what we're going to pay attention to. It's the biggest threat. The latest Earl effects to occur. We're going to have high waves, 15 to 20 foot waves, probably in the Outer Banks. Rip currents, extreme rip currents all up the coast. Beach erosion, definitely major beach erosion. Winds, tropical storm force winds from New Jersey down to Norfolk area, and Norfolk, Surf City, North Carolina, hurricane force winds, which is above 74 miles an hour. The hurricane force, like I said, is going to be mainly in the Outer Banks, and warnings are up. Hurricane warnings for Surf City, North Carolina, to Virginia, North Carolina border. I won't be surprised if you do see the hurricane warning, the hurricane winds in like Norfolk, Virginia, or Virginia Beach, and tropical storm warnings for Virginia through New Jersey. And we have hurricane watches actually going all the way up on the Cape, and tropical storm watches further south than that. So definitely interesting. All I can say is stay with for the latest on the impacts. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com and No Weather Radio. Starting tomorrow, on the day on Thursday, we're going to be probably doing a lot of information sharing, and I know I'll be on tomorrow a good part of the day, trying to update everybody on what's going on the chat. So join us in the chat room. We have meteorologists there a lot. Current storms are all. It's the biggest problem. He's going to be moving in this general direction and turn up. Fiona pretty much getting absorbed and or moving to the east of Earl, and Gaston is still ways out there. It's a new tropical system. It has a west to west-northwest movement over the next couple days, and we have an area that may develop futuristically out in the eastern Atlantic. Looking at Earl's track path, you can see it comes very close to Hatteras, within 200 miles of the Jersey Shore, and then you see the possibility of it actually coming through the Cape and also going into Newfoundland. So definitely going to feel in the next few days. Looking at wind profile and the warnings, there's the hurricane warnings and tropical storm warnings. Hurricane watch and tropical storm watch for Long Island. Just meaning within the next 36 hours, you're going to either experience, in the warnings, you're going to experience the winds, and in the watches, you're going to, within 48 hours, you may experience them. The latest computer model runs show what they've been showing are all saying it's going to be very close for a call for the Outer Banks, and one of the models, the NOGAP, and the GFDL model, pulls it over along the Cape and Long Island. So you have to pay attention to that still, even though it's only one model. The rest of them hook it just off of Outer Banks and just off of the Cape. And looking north, if you live in Newfoundland, get ready for this because you're going to get it. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. All the models are saying that. Satellite picture. Look at this mean satellite. There's Florida. There's Bahamas. Look at how thorough that eye is and how much breathing it's doing. It's great looking. And if you go further, look at that. I mean, that's just amazing shot of Hurricane Earl. Triad forecast going to stay partly sunny throughout. Possibly some more clouds coming up for Thursday and Friday. In the 90s, then dropping off into the 80s, and same with pretty much going on with the Roanoke Valley. So this has been D&D Davis and liveweatherblogs.com, student meteorologist. Stay with us, stay on the chat. We'll chat with you on the chat room, and stay tuned for the latest information on our blogs. D&D Davis and liveweatherblogs.com.